Imagine waking up in your 30s and realizing you've wasted an entire decade. No skills, no savings, no growth, just a bunch of regrets. Harsh, right? But that's the reality for so many people who waste their 20s. Your 20s are your unfair advantage. The time when you have the most energy, the least responsibility, and the highest potential to build the life you want. But if you're not intentional, this decade will slip away before you even realize it. And let me tell you a story. There were two guys, both 22 years old. One spent his 20s partying, binge-watching shows, and avoiding anything too hard. The other guy, he took his time seriously. He learned high-income skills, built multiple income streams, and invested in himself. Fast forward 10 years, one is struggling to make ends meet while the other is living life on his own terms. The difference? How they use their 20s. So what should you do to make sure you don't end up with regrets? Let's break it down. 1. Get fit and take care of your health. Listen, your body is your greatest asset. If you neglect your health now, you'll pay the price later. Start small, work out regularly, eat clean, and prioritize your sleep. Energy is everything, and you need it to build the life you want. 2. Learn profitable skills. The truth, school won't teach you how to make money. If you want financial freedom, learn skills that pay. Copywriting, digital marketing, investing and trading, e-commerce, video editing, and content creation. You have access to unlimited knowledge. Use it. Learn from YouTube, blogs, and online courses. Speaking of which, matey, if you need help with writing tasks, essays, homework, or projects, my team at CEO Mindset Mastery can help you. Just DM me on Instagram. 3. Learn how to make money online. Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the power of online income streams. Start a side hustle, freelance, do affiliate marketing, or sell digital products. And if you're a content creator, Repurpose.io is a game changer for growing across multiple platforms. Check out my affiliate link in the description. 4. Build strong habits and discipline. The habits you build now will shape your future. Wake up early, read and feed your mind. Avoid negativity and distractions. Set goals and take action. Want to stay motivated? Follow my WhatsApp channel for daily mindset tips. Link in the description. 5. Invest and start a business. If you want financial freedom, relying only on a 9-to-5 won't cut it. Learn how to invest, save, and multiply your money. If you're thinking about starting a business, stop waiting. I started my own store, Sip and Smile, where I sell motivational mugs that remind people to stay focused. Check it out in the description. 6. Take risks and get out of your comfort zone. Your 20s are the best time to take risks because you have nothing to lose. Start that business, move to a new city, or take that leap of faith. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Final words. Don't waste your 20s. If you don't take action now, you'll wake up in your 30s full of regrets. But if you start today, even with small steps, your future self will thank you. Remember, get fit and stay healthy. Learn high-income skills. Build multiple streams of income, develop discipline and strong habits. Take risks while you're young. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to focus on this year? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Links in the description. CEO Mindset Mastery. Homework and writing. Help my TikTok and Instagram. Daily motivation and tips blog. More in-depth articles on success and mindset. Sip and Smile mug store. Get your motivation in a cup. Repurpose.io affiliate link. Grow your content fast. WhatsApp channel. Get daily success tips. See you in the next video. Stay unstoppable. Let me tell you about Sarah, a woman in her 20s who didn't let the fear of failure stop her. She was in debt, feeling stuck in a job she hated and didn't have any support. But one day she made a decision. She was going to change. She started by learning digital marketing online. Slowly, she built her skills, took on small freelance jobs, and eventually launched her own business. It wasn't easy, and she made plenty of mistakes. But by her late 20s, Sarah was earning 6 figures and living life on her terms. She took risks, she learned from her mistakes, and most importantly, she didn't waste time. Sarah's story is proof that you don't need to have it all figured out. All you need is the courage to start and the discipline to keep going. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. But you don't have to walk alone. I'm here to help you along the way. Whether it's business advice, mindset tips, or even writing tasks like homework and essays, CEO Mindset Mastery is here for you. See you until next time.